Bayard served as the Emperor's champion of the Black Templars during the Gulstar and Hellsreach Crusades. Serving with his Legion sword brethren in his youth alongside Kador, Bayard would ascend to the rank of Emperor's champion due to his skill as a swordsman. Wielding the legendary blade, the Black Sword, originally carried into battle by the first Emperor's champion and High Marshal of the Black Templars, Sigismund, Bayard would wield his chapter's relic with pride. Regarded as pompous and vainglorious by some of his brethren, Bayard would nonetheless inspire many neophytes and junior battle brothers within the Black Templars, particularly Priamus of Squad Grimaldus. Caring little for the plights of lesser humans, Bayard would clash with Reclusiarch Merrick Grimaldus regarding their duty as the defenders of Hellsreach. Yet Bayard would fight alongside Squad Grimaldus during their desperate final stand at the Temple of the Emperor Ascendant. Bayard would perish at the hands of the Orc hordes, his legacy as the Legion's champion and his weapon, the Black Sword, being passed on to the next champion of the Legion, Priamus, dying as all champions of the Legion should, in glorious battle against the enemies of mankind.